5 Best Upholstery Cleaning Machine Reviews. Number 1. BISSELL Multipurpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Let's kick off with BISSELL Multipurpose Carpet Cleaner. As the name speaks everything, although this product will move along your carpet and navigate around it like how a whale explores the sea. No dirt or stain will remain at its hiding place in the process of cleaning your upholstery and the carpet. On the other hand, this machine comfortably cleans both your carpet and upholstery, leaving them sparkling clean. The device has a sturdy stain brush, and strong spray with suction removes stains, which removes dirt in your seats and carpet and facilitate the drying process in the first step. So, this machine is designed perfectly for your preference. You may be amazed why it is called portable. The answer is, you can carry it away at any point within your house. Number 2. Hoover Spotless Portable Upholstery Cleaner. So, Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, FH11300PC is ideal for you only when you need a fast machine to clean your carpet and rag. Together with it's a perfect robot if you don't want to engage in manual cleaning using the traditional means. The better part of it is that it is light-weighted. You can arrive at its ultimate portability with the light carpet spot cleaner. Conversely, it has a fitting deep cleaning mechanism that allows it scrub, spray and eliminate all stains in your house carpet and rags. In like manner, the robot has a dual tank technology where it can keep dirty and clean water differently for a reliable clean. Number 3. Hoover Power Scrub. Some modern carpets and upholstery are hard to clean using traditional mops. However, Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner comes with more fantastic features to solve this disaster. The machine has a spin scrub brush device that safely cleans carpets engulfed with the toughest dirt. Additionally, its brushes are sturdy and 360 degrees in nature. Similarly, it has a dual nozzle which helps us cleaning carpet surfaces with equal pressure, leaving it gusto. Besides, it has a robust heat force mechanism which facilitates a quick dry up time while raising the stubborn stains. As a consequence, its lightweight permits you to walk wherever there is a mess within your house. Number 4. BISSELL ProHeat 2X. If you are seriously looking for an excellent machine to clean your home carpet and upholstery? If yes, this one here will serve you quite well. It has an antibacterial tool with free trial sample deep cleaning mechanism. Furthermore, BISSELL has a heatwave technology that helps it maintain water temperature whenever powered. It produces professional outcomes as it has a trial-size sample of BISSELL Pro mechanism that helps in cleaning it. Additionally, this mechanism helps it protect the formula with the Scotchguard. Has BISSELL, which facilitates quick drying of your carpet. Heatwave technology to eradicate dust and dirt from your carpet. Lightweight. 7 feet hose and pet spot cleaning tools. Attach the hose and tools for spot cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and pet beds. Number 5. BISSELL 3624 SpotClean. Are you ever busy in your cleaning schedule? Do you need an easy-to-use the machine for your upholstery? If the answer is yes, have a look at BISSELL 3624 Upholstery Cleaner. Firstly, it is portable. Wow! The good news, it is flexible, you can move with it all over your house without difficulty. Also, it has a professional spot cleaner which helps in removing toughest spots within your carpet and upholstery. What distinguishes this machine from the rest is the possession of the 6 stair tools, 8-ounce cleaning formula which is professional, and 3 tough carpet stain removal gadget. Includes a 6 inches stair tool, which makes cleaning stairs easy. Also comes with a 3 inches tough stain tool and a trial-size bottle of ProMax Clean Plus Protect formula. Permanently removes tough messes and protects from future stains with the power of Stain Protect.